Welcome traders and welcome to Beginner Trading here. This is Mitch from Beginner Trading. Let's go ahead and break down today's strategy. These are the top two Bollinger Band strategies here, breaking down the range here. Let's go ahead and take a look and see how we can break it down. Buying the pullback using the Bollinger Band. This is a strategy that we're going to use for strong breakout stocks. We definitely want to see big volatility. We want to see percentage movers. We need to see a high volume squeeze like we got here in the breakout. And we need to also see pullback to the SMAs. You see this stock creates a high here, breaking out there and making a high there at 670s. What we're looking for is going to be that pullback in the direction towards that middle line so that we can take a trade right back up towards the resistance and the top of the Bollinger Band. So we get this move down to the support, and this is where we want to try to get in here. This is where we want to go ahead and measure our risk. It's going to be right below it here, looking for that 20-cent pop to sell into the resistance, and then you could hold the rest towards the Bollinger Band. And that's what we really want to tackle here, guys. Another strategy that we have here is going to be trading the range or trading within the range using the Bollinger Band. You know, with this, we definitely need to see a stock that's range bound. So one of the things that I would suggest is looking to the day prior and seeing that tight consolidation. And we want to go ahead and see that consolidation continue. One of the things is we definitely need to see that kind of consolidation here. We got Disney just going up and down on the 129s. It got even tighter at the 129.90s and just was in this tight consolidation. So let's go ahead and look at the day that we would trade it within this range here. And so the first thing you do is you get a breakout towards the top resistance, which is that Bollinger Band here, top right here. We're going to go ahead and set top right there. Then you see it move down towards the support, the prior day support, and it holds there also. So now that we've seen that, we want to go ahead and attack that range. So we understand that that's the top and bottom. Let's see it get to the top of the range here. We're going to let it get to the top of the range and create a range here for us. Okay, you see the pull of the Bollinger Band. It extends through the Bollinger Band. And once it turns back inside the Bollinger Band and this candle closes, that's when we're going to take our trade here. So the risk is going to be off the top of this here. Okay, so one of the key things here, guys, is understanding always the risk and reward in everything we do. So we want to go and understand that this is going to be our risk, and we're looking for a potential reward all the way down towards the Bollinger Band. So really, guys, what we're trying to do in this strategy is we're trying to attack this candle as it closes underneath the Bollinger Band, and this one opens up. This one opens up at 130.77s. We can go ahead and use that as our entry and risk right above that prior close, which was our prior high, which was 130.84s. So that's what we're going to use as the risk here. We'll get in there. If it bounces above that, we'll get out. What we need to see is the pullback here happen. As you see it come back with low volume, nothing getting in, and you'll see it pull back all the way down towards that support. And that's really what we're trying to do, guys, is we're trying to get it down towards support. But this is only going to happen when we have a stock that is range bound. Hey traders, don't forget, if you want to see more videos like these, definitely subscribe down below and hit the like as we come up with more strategies and breakdowns like these.